Yo, what is? Oh, YouTube is working. I'm back with another video, man. I'm here reacting to. You are never, ever getting back together. Taylor Swift 1989 tour. Now, somebody requested me this because this is a rock version of it, so it's a little different than the usual tune we used to hearing. So, had to check it out. Let's get straight into it. Experiencing interruptions. If I experience any interruptions during this video, I'm probably gonna cry. In 4K too. I just wanted to add that in there because it looks good. Alright, stop building up suspense. Talk to me. Oh wow.
I remember when we broke up, the first time saying this is it, I've had enough. Cause like we hadn't seen each other in a month. When you said you needed space, come around again and say, baby, I miss you and I swear I'm gonna change. Trust me, remember how that lasted for a day. I say I hate you, you break up, you call me I love you. Called it off again last night, but this time I'm telling you we are never ever ever getting back together. We are never ever ever getting back together. You go talk to your friends, talk to my friends, talk to me. We never ever 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 back together.
Damn.
Really gonna miss you cooking bites and me falling for it, screaming that I'm right, and you hide away and find your peace of mind with some indie record that's much cooler than mine.
Okay.
Call me up again tonight, but this time I'm telling you we are never ever ever getting back together. We are never ever ever. You go talk to your friends, talk to my friends, talk to me. We are never ever ever getting back together. Why don't you try this one with us, Sydney? In 3, 2.
I'm in Atlanta.
Come on, let it all out. In 3, 2, 1. One last time, show me what you got. 3, 2, 1. I used to think that we were forever, ever, and I used to say never.
I haven't paused a minute, but this crowd lit. Oh my god. I think I've already said this. I love performers in like live performances I've never been to one. I've never been to like concert. I've never been to a tour. None of that. But visually, from like the camera, watching through the lens, I love watching. I love watching it because I actually get a sense of performer, not just when I'm watching a music video that's scripted. They tell you what to do. You do multiple takes. This is live in person. I mean, of course, you had to do like a little bit of practice for it, and so the set doesn't like blow up or anything, or the sound check is good, but still, live performances just give you a raw energy of the performance. I think I was about to say something about her as an entertainer. I think the most entertaining person I've seen live is people gonna hate me for this, is Duke Deuce, and that's because like me watching him, I know if I went to one of his concerts, I don't know that many songs by him, but I know if I went to one of his concerts, I end up dancing, bro. Like I don't know, it's something about Memphis artists that made me want to dance, or the beat, or how they rap. But back to the video. Oh my God, my eyes. Oh, and then she just disappeared? That's crazy. But that'll be the end of the video. I remember liking, subscribe, comment. What you want me to react to next? Be my Freeman, I'm out. Peace.
And you know that's my brother. Yeah. Forever, 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 never, forever, never, forever, 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 ever, ever, ever. You know that's my brother. Yeah. You know we got each other. Me and him against whoever.